Hi, good evening to all. Hi, good evening to all. How are you? 1 year back in this day we have. Hi, good evening. I am Chef Salokma. We are going to prepare today our live class. Ulandangali, that black uradal with jaggery and rice flour put together and make the ulandangali. And one more dessert also, that yellow urundai, that is famous South Indian dessert food, that also we are going to make today our live class. For that, first I am going to prepare, take the ulandangali. For that uradal we have to take uradal, black uradal. For that we have to take for 100 gram. And then we'll take for that roasted rice. We have to roast it well and take that. And it is not clear, I think so, because of in our kitchen. See the kitchen also. You will see from this part, I think clear. Whichever I am preparing, that one getting clear. Hope. Hi, good evening to all. Namaste. We'll start now. That ulandangali, that is famous South Indian food. We are going to prepare that uradal, black uradal. I have taken black uradal roasted, and then rice also I have taken. Okay, now we are going to prepare. Jaggery syrup also I made and kept it ready for that. This is the jaggery syrup. I made it earlier because it will take time to make the syrup, so that's why I made the syrup and strain and kept it ready. This one we take, I already roasted. Take the mixer, already roasted that black uradal, I taken that. Okay, correct cover பண்ணுங்க. Okay, network issues, so that's why I can't able to connect you. Now I connect you, no problem. Okay, தட்டிடக்கூடாது, எதுவும் தட்டக்கூடாது. ஓகே, எதுவும் தட்டக்கூடாது. என்னோட ஃபேஸ் தெரியுதா? Now you see, we are going to prepare today that ulandangali. That one I already roasted that black uradal. Recipe name is that ulandangali. That is famous South Indian people, they will made it. That we already add that black uradal, roasted uradal. We done that rice also we roasted well and we add on that one. Now this one we are going to grind it well. Okay.
Okay.
recipe, we are preparing two recipes. That dil ka laddu, dil ka laddu. Dil I already roasted because of we are having only half an hour class, so that's why I prepare this one earlier. You see that we will add the jaggery. Jaggery and some nuts also we can put. Badam 5 pieces and peanut also. And 1 piece of apricot. दिल का लड्डू बन रहा है. दिल का साथ में थोड़ा जैकरी, ड्राई जैकरी डाला, बादाम डाला and peanut डाला and apricot also. This one also, with that we add little amount of cardamom powder. Now this one also we are going to grind it. I already told dil ka laddu and ulundangali. These both we have to grind it well. Okay, we already roasted. That mixture is ready. And one more I said na, that dil ka laddu, that also. cut it. Okay, now we already mixed it well, and ragi flour also little we put together and we remove from the mixer for the dil ka laddu. Little ragi flour with dill seed, roasted dill seed, and ragi flour and jaggery with all the nuts together. You know, you see that dil ka laddu ka mixing ready. Keep it aside. Because of some network issues, I can't able to connect you properly. Now we see do ready. Now you see okay. कर दीजिए. दिल का लड्डू देखो. How we have to prepare, I told, with a dill. Next we are going to prepare that ulundangali. Now I on the stove. Okay, take the pan. I already grind that black urad dal with this one rice flour. You have to mix it nicely.
Touch it. Let them off.
You have to mix it, stirring continuously. Little hot water also we have to put. You have to mix it. Okay, no? Okay. Recipe name I will update in the page also. That ulandangali normally in South India they are preparing With the black uradal, we put rice flour also, put together and grind it well. Within that we add the jaggery syrup, we mix it well. In the last moment we add the gingerly oil on that. Make this ulandangali. Normally in our Tamil Nadu, all the home they are preparing. This is one of the healthy food. See, that is the, because of some network issues I can't able to connect you people properly, but my recipe I will update my recipe in our page. Now little we have to pour the gingerly oil. You see, see the consistency of that ulandangali. Like this we have to prepare. Now almost ready that ulandangali. Take the black uradal. If you want soak it for 1.5 hours, and then we have to dry the water, strain the water, and water from that, and little gingerly oil we put in this consistency. Then only we can roll it well. You see that one well cooked. Like that consistency we can cook. You see that one automatically rolling. Now almost ready. We'll remove from the fire. You see the consistency? Like that consistency you have to cook it very nicely. That ulandangali is good for health. See that ulandangali is ready now. This is the consistency we will prepare in our home, and we had it nicely. And dilka laddu and ulandangali. I am really sorry because of today in our some network issues, so that's why I can't able to connect you people properly. Today we had seen that ulandangali, how it will prepare, I will say you now in my dining room. I can't able to connect you people. I am really sorry for that in this class. But how it prepare and this recipe also I updated on our page. Today we had prepared two recipes. One is dilka laddu. How it will prepare I will say now. That black sesame seed with the jaggery and all the nuts, badam and cardamom powder and peanuts put together and roast the sesame seed. The dilka laddu, how we have to prepare, I will say now that recipe. That black sesame seed 100 gram and jaggery you will take 100 gram and dry nuts you have to take 25 gram. Within that jaggery syrup also little you take and cardamom powder, and you put all the ingredients together in a mixer and mix it, grind it well and take it out and roll it and make the balls and give it to your child. That is good for health. And second recipe we made it, that ulandangali, that is famous in South India normally. That one we made it with the black vardal, roasted black vardal with rice flour also roasted, put together and grind it well, nice powder, and then take it out, and within that we mix the jaggery syrup, and then we have to cook it slow flame with the gingerly oil. That ulandangali is ready. That is good for health. Thank you. I am really sorry for that because of I can't able to connect you people because of some network issues in our home. If you prepare in your home the evening time, your child will enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, Amul and Suresh sir, given the opportunity to do a live class on our page. We'll meet our next class. Thank you.